Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to constantly bring you evolving tech gadgets that are being manufactured by the creative minds out there to make life a little easier for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 8 more of these incredible gadgets. You might need one of these yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel, you don't want to miss any of our updates. Number 1. Ebo, the smart robot companion for your cat. According to several studies, the majority of American cats are either overweight or obese. This is mainly because of a lack of stimulation and exercise. Your cat will thrive and develop to have the finest possible physical and mental health thanks to the interactive, entertaining, stimulating, and connecting world that Ebo offers. In addition to being gorgeous to watch, Ebo keeps cats entertained and active, which helps to prevent behavioral, physical, and mental issues. Ebo will not only assist your cat burn off extra calories but will also maintain their joints and muscles flexible and healthy by keeping them continually moving in a fun and unusual way. Ebo will provide your cat with frequent activity and stimulation, which will lessen the likelihood that your cat will develop joint illness and experience the excruciating agony that comes with arthritis and other comparable disorders. Coming to number 2. iSwift Pi. Paper-thin durable laptop desk for bed and office. Working in bed or on the couch has become more normal than going into the office during the quarantine time. However, if you've ever tried to use a laptop while sitting on a couch, bed, or chair, you know how uncomfortable it could be. The iSwift Pi, which was designed to be a lap desk and a laptop stand, is a game changer that helps you feel comfortable and stand straight when you are navigating a new WFH environment. In order to ensure that you have a pleasant and comfortable experience using your laptop at bed, sofa, or anywhere, iSwift Pi has 2 triangle legs that can be folded flat or extended to give you a raised area to work from. You can change any one of 4 angles to get the ideal working position. You can store the iSwift Pi anyplace you want because it weighs 40 ounces and has a 0.2-inch thickness. Additionally, when working while on the road, you can carry it similarly to a file folder. Coming to number 3. Ifory. The era-defining 40,000 mAh power bank boosts it all. With a 40,000 mAh capacity, you are always covered, no matter where you are. It's finally time for you to enjoy your mobile lifestyle now that all of your devices are operating at full capacity. Ifory has 2 USB-C connectors and 2 USB-A ports, allowing it to charge up to 4 devices at once. Ifory's output power can reach 100 W when using a PD fast charging protocol. It gives you the freedom to obtain whatever information you require. You can easily check the time, the temperature, and the amount of battery life left. With Ifory, go on a cutting-edge charging journey. Ifory has an IP67 waterproof rating, allowing you to engage in ocean activities while it recharges. Even dropping the power bank into water won't cause any problems. There are 2 aluminum shell layers on both sides of the core that double as a shock absorption mechanism. Coming to number 4. Passport 3. All-in-one 65W adapter for home and travel, with 4 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, Passport 3 offers exceptional charging performance. Even different charging protocols are easily handled, with super wide compatibility. Our most potent Passport to date is this one. Without using any cumbersome proprietary chargers, you can simply charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro in only 2 hours and your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes. In contrast to other chargers on the market, Passport 3 has a built-in intelligent auto-resetting 10A fuse to protect you from any potential risks. Passport 3 is palm-sized, incredibly fast, and versatile, handling the majority of USB-C laptops, phones, tablets, Switch, and even your high-power devices like induction cookers, space heaters, and more. After the temperature becomes too high, it promptly shuts off the power and restarts when it cools down. Other travel adapters have a single-use fuse that needs to be changed in order to make them functional once more. Passport II's AC output is shielded to help ensure that only power connectors are plugged into it. This is especially important for the safety of children. Coming to number 5. Bantal Pillow. Graphene pillow built for universal support. Pillows are made to support certain sleep positions, but most of us sleep in different positions every night. This means that every morning is a coin toss between feeling great and feeling terrible. Was it possible to create a pillow that supported any position for sleeping? Industry heavyweights joined us for sleep, but we awoke empty-handed. We next took our inquiries to eminent engineers, who revealed that the sleep industry was completely mistaken. To create the first ever cushion for global support, we had to completely forget everything we knew. The Silver Shield pillowcase by Bantal is comprised of incredibly fine bamboo fibers and genuine silver. Silver's antibacterial properties will successfully ward off 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mites, and mold. Your pillow gets heated, moist, and covered in dead skin while you sleep. As a result, germs, mold, and mites can thrive there. Not only is this repulsive, but it can also result in allergies, sickness, and acne. Coming to number 6. Titan Yarn. Antimicrobial terry towel with pure silver yarn. The antimicrobial fibers, even visible to the naked eye, create ag ions that kill fungus, mold, and as many as 650 types of bacteria effectively. Strong anti-odor fibers work well with them since they can both break down saturated and unsaturated fatty acids and completely wipe out bacteria. A luxury towel made of dense, soft, and opulent terry fabric is infused with the carefully chosen antibacterial fibers. Titan yarn has a characteristic velvet-like gloss and a smooth feel thanks to its small, compact loops. The Titan yarn terry towel's dense 600 GSM fabric and 2.5 mm long thread loops make it as strong as a carpet or rug while remaining soft and comfortable, which is the key to its ultra-absorbency. Bamboo fibers give Titan yarn a softer feel to the touch and improve moisture absorption thanks to their inherent micro-gaps. Additionally, bamboo's natural fibers are bacteriostatic and hypoallergenic, making them perfect for delicate skin. Coming to number 7. NVOSION. High-Performance 3D Full-Color Night Vision Camera. Full-color night vision cameras use the most up-to-date imaging technology, which enables them to recognize color and fiber in any situation and automatically adjust fiber saturation and color settings for the best shooting results. Even at night, after activating the night vision feature, they can also take color photos of flowers. Night can also be used as a night vision instrument to watch the surroundings, allowing night hunting to detect the direction of the prey. NVOSION is a real night vision camera, with regular cameras and night vision instrument integrated functions. Using 4000 WHD imaging technology, every moment is captured. Party and have fun while surreptitiously filming friends' embarrassing moments. Infrared launchets can better track the target. Send a red mark in the night sky, so that your prey has nowhere to run. Just for a moment, mark it and let the scenery belong to you only. Coming to number 8. Rocketbook Orbit. A reusable cloud-connected notepad. Modularity plus magnets equals magic. The Orbit makes use of removable, individually designed page packs. Every pack of Rocketbook pages in our new technology has stainless steel rings attached to them that can be taken off the Orbit, flipped 360 degrees, and changed out for a completely new mission. The technology has a magnetic foundation. The Orbit is made of a durable plastic composite with a textured synthetic outer layer and incorporates patented Rocketbook reusable pen and paper technology, ensuring that the container that holds your notes will survive for light years to come. Which of the universe's forces do you prefer? We created the first magnetic binding system in the history of the planet because magnetism is our domain. The Rocketbook Orbit is built for unlimited reusability thanks to Rocketbook's unique technology. So this is all about today's video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy the product, then the product buy link is in description. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.